too far away now. Got it all the way up though. Mom and her troop of 10. They're so funny. There they go. All waddling down to the water edge. There they go. The troops down to the water. And there, big Honk, he had his goodies for the day. Yeah, no, I don't have any more. There's no more, Honk. You had it already today, Honk. Yes, I know. I know. He says you have more for me. Here he comes, so we got to take off because Honk is on his way over here again. No, you had it already today, Honk. You had it all. Thank you, Honk. Be a good boy. Be a good boy, Honk. He's just coming to say goodbye. Bye, Honk.